Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Airbus A380 News, A220 Updates and WestJet Airline grounds aircraft. Airbus A380 sees renewed interest as airlines reactivate the superjumbo. A220 production ramps up with increased orders and performance enhancements. WestJet grounds some Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft due to a manufacturing defect in engine anti-ice systems, causing flight disruptions and highlighting ongoing safety concerns in aviation. Airbus A380 revival. The Airbus A380, once facing retirement, has seen a resurgence in popularity. Airlines like Lufthansa, Qantas, and British Airways have been returning A380s to service as travel demand rebounds. This trend highlights the superjumbo's enduring appeal for high-capacity routes and hub-to-hub operations. A380 sustainability efforts. Airbus has been exploring ways to make the A380 more environmentally friendly. The company has conducted tests using sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, on A380 flights, aiming to reduce the aircraft's carbon footprint and align with industry-wide sustainability goals. A220 production ramp-up. Airbus has been steadily increasing production of the A220, its smallest commercial jet. The manufacturer aims to reach a production rate of 14 aircraft per month by 2025, up from the current rate of about 6 per month. This ramp-up is in response to growing demand for smaller, fuel-efficient aircraft. A220 order book growth. The A220 has continued to attract new orders from airlines worldwide. Its efficiency and range capabilities have made it popular for both short-haul and transcontinental routes. Recent orders have come from airlines in various regions, including North America, Europe, and Asia. A220 performance enhancements. Airbus has been working on performance improvements for the A220 family. These include increased maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, options and range extensions, making the aircraft even more versatile for operators. Such enhancements aim to broaden the A220's market appeal. WestJet aircraft grounding. Canadian airline WestJet recently announced the grounding of some of its Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft. This decision was made after the discovery of a manufacturing defect in some engine anti-ice systems during a routine inspection. Impact on WestJet operations. The grounding has led to flight cancellations and schedule adjustments for WestJet. The airline has been working to minimize disruptions by reallocating aircraft and adjusting its network. However, some passengers have experienced delays and rebookings as a result. Safety concerns and regulatory oversight. The WestJet grounding has reignited discussions about aviation safety and regulatory oversight. Both the airline and aviation authorities are closely monitoring the situation to ensure all necessary precautions are taken before the affected aircraft return to service. Boeing's response. Boeing, the manufacturer of the 737 MAX, has been working closely with WestJet and other affected airlines to address the issue. The company has stated that it is committed to resolving the problem and supporting its customers in returning the grounded aircraft to service as quickly and safely as possible. Industry-wide implications. The WestJet grounding serves as a reminder of the ongoing challenges faced by the aviation industry in maintaining safety standards while meeting operational demands. It also highlights the importance of rigorous maintenance procedures and the potential impact of manufacturing defects on airline operations. These developments in the commercial aviation sector underscore the dynamic nature of the industry. The A380's resurgence demonstrates the cyclical nature of aircraft demand, while the A220's growing popularity reflects the trend toward smaller, more efficient aircraft for certain routes. Meanwhile, WestJet's decision to ground some of its 737 MAX 8 aircraft emphasizes the paramount importance of safety in aviation operations. As the industry continues to recover from the impacts of the global pandemic, these events showcase the ongoing evolution and challenges in commercial aviation. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.